Friends, this is Umesh, and today we will create this model in NX using surface method. And see, here I have one top view, one front view, and side view, and this shape is see from the front. The shape is this radial, means it is circular here, and here it is some conical shape with two radius 5 and 19. Two radius are there, and from top it is elliptical with 1 2 and 3 radius. So first I will create this one fourth portion, okay, and then I will mirror it. So first I need to create this curve, right? I'm going to start from here, then I will create this one, and last I will create this, right? So let's start with the annex. Okay, so first, I will start with the front, orient the view, and this is a circular, and 14.8 into 2 is a diameter. Zoom it, and I am using two line, okay, and trim it, right? Delete all this. I just want to keep this half portion, okay, and make this line as a reference. Make this line as a reference. So my first curve is this, and for next one, this elliptical shape, I am using this plane, okay, and starting with a circle and match this end point, and the diameter of delete it. Diameter of this circle is 5.1 into 2, right? And align this point with this horizontal axis. Again, one more arc from this, and a little bit here, and again one more from here to, and before this I'm just creating a line, and 18, half of 18 will be 9. Click here. Now match with this one more thing. I need one more line so that I can apply the tangency between arc and this second line, okay. Now dimension it, and the dimension is 11.5 radial, so this time it is radial gap, and drag it. The second one is 22.7, right? And assign some distance to this line also, and this curve and line should be tangential, right? Now make this line as a reference, make this line as a reference, and I'm using mirror. So mirror curve, first, second, click, this is the axis, and now I'm using this trim. So trim it, and let's see whether it is matching. Yes, it is matching with this. Close. And still I need one more curve on this face, so select this face so that I can define my side view, and starting with a circle, click here and match with this point, and the dia will be 10, and match this point to this, and arc, and the arc is starting with this point, and it will tangent to this, right? And the radius is 19. Okay, it is defined now, it is okay, no need to make any other changes, just mirror it. This is the sketch, and the axis, use trim. I don't want this, Okay, so all three curves are ready. Now mm, I'm going to use the studio surface. Select this, and my primary curve is this. Add second primary curve is this. Okay, and the guide is this one, and see. And if I will see from close, it is merging. So I'm going to make this with points. Again here I'm facing the such problem, it is merging. So go to this transition control and make sure it is linear and blunt, so it will automatically assign and it will merge. Okay, so first surface is ready. I'm using mirror this about this. Okay, right, so main sketch is this one, and hide this curve, and I'm using analysis. I feel some lines are not properly, so double click here, come to this, and make sure the both line and sketch should be tangential. Click and make it vertical, click and make it horizontal, and make this sketch as a reference. Same here, a reference, and go to this and assign tangent it, and this should be tangent. If it is already, it means it is okay. This and this should be constraint is already there. So if you will delete, no problem, just cancel it, it means this is okay. Second sketch is this, and see, this is already tangent. Okay, or I am using again tangent. I want to make this and this as a tangential, so it is already tangent. And my third sketch is this one, it is already tangent. No, it is properly tangent. Or I can go for single. Okay, I will make some suitable changes. Let's do the rest of the things. So I'm starting from this, and one arc is starting with this, right, and the radius is, and this gap is 16.4, so half of 16.4, divide by 2. Okay, and the radius is 1.5, and this point vertically align. Finish. Hide this curve, and I'm using this sweep along guide. I want to sweep it, and the guide is a tangential curve. See, all the curves are tangential. Click and click this, go to this tangential curve. Okay, and I don't want the close, I want surface. So this will become, and again go to this extrude, and here use tangent. So this is all tangent, and no need to select anything. Go to sketch, reverse the direction, and 2 mm is the height for this. Okay, now I need a circle, and circle is distance is from this plane, gap is 9.6 but in reverse direction. Okay, now go to this and make a sketch of a circle. Circle, click, and the diameter is 12.4. Finish. Now extrude this 1.8. Extrude the circle 1.8, and it should be a sheet. Now I want to match this curve and this, so use this ruled, and tangential curve is this, and second one is this, and go to sheet and arrange it. Right, and click OK. Now I want to join it, so go to surface and sew, and here I need a fillet, and the fillet is zero point 0.7, and OK. Okay, so this kind of shape is this,